Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today is just gonna be a quick unboxing of a watch that so many of you asked me so many times of when I'm gonna do a review of it. I answered that whenever I get a chance to buy a watch at a decent price, I will do it. So I was waiting for this one to drop in price because they have been holding pretty steady prices for a while now. And finally one popped up at a pretty good price, so I decided to buy it. So now if you want to answer in the comment section which watch you think I bought, because I know a lot of you are going to guess it. So just freeze the video for a second, answer in the comment section, and let's move on with the unboxing. It's naturally a G-Shock, and I'm not going to turn the box so you can see the model number, but I'm guessing that a lot of you are going to guess it. So let's open it. And naturally there will be a review and a full tutorial. The documents, the tin box, let's move all this away. And ta-da! And yes, it is the GWG 1000 Mudmaster, the king of Mudmasters. And wow, it's beautiful. This is one hell of a watch. Wow. It is big though. It's very big. But I have to admit that I like the look of it. This is the 1A version, I believe. It's not the one with the green markers. It has these blacked out markers between the hour markers, but they also glow. Now this is the solar, atomic, and triple sensor, so this is pretty much everything you want. I mean, everything the Casio has put into this watch when it comes to Mudmasters. The only thing missing is the depth meter that's in the Golfmaster. But other than that, everything is here. And it's one of the toughest looking and toughest feeling watches, I have to admit. This really feels massive and solid. Let me just quickly put it on my wrist, and I'm wearing my Amphibia. I've been doing it for weeks now. I just love that watch. Let's just slide this. I'm guessing this is gonna be too big for me. Definitely. Wow. I mean, it is too big. No question about it, but wow, it wears comfortably. It has these wings, and that really helps because it fills in the gaps between the strap and the wrist. But it is too massive for me, for my taste. I can wear a big watch when it comes to G-Shocks, but this is very big. And it's got all the goodies. So you have the compass, you have the altimeter, you have the barometer. Everything is here. Wow. But I am impressed. It really looks good. Like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, so you can expect a review and a full tutorial to come soon. And in case some of you noticed, I actually got some new filming equipment, so videos are going to probably look a lot better than they do now. Because I've been doing all my filming so far with a cell phone, and a pretty old cell phone, but I like the microphone that it has. And sometimes for macro shots I use the Coolpix Nikon, which is just a super zoom camera. But thanks to Chris from Horology House, he gave me some advices on what equipment to buy within my budget. So I did purchase a new camera, a new lens, and now the videos are gonna probably look better when it comes to quality. However, I always have pre-recorded videos in case I get sick, in case I can't film them because of work or some other personal problems. So I always have a couple of videos in reserve so that I can keep up the schedule. So the next couple of videos are still going to be filmed in the old way, but starting from, I believe, Rolex Datejust is the first watch that I filmed like that, and this is going to be the second review that I'm going to film with that new camera. And I'm sure you will see the difference in quality. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, bye.